Animal of the month, Audubon spider monkeys enjoy visitors and always eat their fruits and veggies. If you hear the Audubon Zoo staff talking about blondes and brunettes, there's a good chance they are discussing the spider monkeys that call the zoo home. 6 spider monkeys live at the zoo, with 3 having darker fur, aka the brunettes, and 3 with lighter fur, aka the blondes. The reason for the different fur colors is largely unknown, although researchers believe it may be because of genetics and sunlight exposure. We spoke to Dominique Fleetus, assistant curator of the Louisiana Swamp Exhibit and Jaguar Jungle at Audubon Zoo, to learn more about the spider monkeys and what is being done to protect them in the wild. Tell me about the spider monkeys at Audubon. Brock is our only male. He is 30 years old and has lived here since 2018. The other 5 are females. Topaz is also 30 years old and has lived here since 1997. Tazo is 36 years old and has lived here since 2010. Teresa and Tilly are both 27 years old and have lived here since 1997. T is our youngest at 17 years old and has lived here since 2010. How would you describe their personalities? The brunettes are very chill and easygoing. They enjoy training and spending time with their keepers. The blondes are always checking things out and are a little more willing to get into monkey antics. T will sometimes start doing alarm calls, which are high-pitched calls to get the other monkeys' attention, either for no reason at all or for very trivial reasons. When that happens, Brock will come running to take care of things. Since he is the only male, he is the dominant and protective one. What kind of food do they eat? Their diets include greens, fruits, and vegetables. We change it day to day so they don't eat the same thing all the time. One day, they might get a lot of spinach. The next day, it might be leafy greens like kale and romaine. It's usually a rotation of things like green beans, corn, carrots, apples, pears, peas, sweet potatoes, and peppers. We also give them specially formulated biscuits with protein, vitamins, and nutrients. We also have high-value items for them like yogurt, peanut butter, or plain Cheerios. Those are used for enrichment or training. What kind of training does the Audubon staff conduct with the spider monkeys? We do a lot of activities that let them participate in their medical treatment. Being able to ask them to come to us and stand on a scale is really important because we like to track their weights. Brock in particular likes to steal food, so we make sure his weight is not getting too high. We also work with them on receiving hand injections. Every animal here gets a big physical at least every 2 years. Whenever possible, we work with them to take an injection to make that process easier.